How to conduct performance evaluations. You're probably asking yourself, why? Why are we having this conversation? Why are we having this seminar? Why are we in this training? Well, an employee has filed a lawsuit against the company because of comments a supervisor made during their performance evaluation. This is a very unfortunate event. It could have been prevented. So today we're going to discuss some suggestions and come to some terms that you need to provide your supervisors and managers with regarding company-wide evaluations. First, you need to measure their performance, establish a system. You need to develop performance standards, develop goals, remain sensitive to the employee needs, plan to share these standards and goals in writing with the employee. Observe their performance, monitor this throughout the year. Note all memorable incidents or projects involving that employee. Give immediate feedback. This should be something that is spot on. Give them this not only verbally, but give it to them in writing. And note that there was a conversation between you and the employee and place that into their file. Evaluations. You have to do this yearly. Each employee should have one evaluation per year. Evaluation should be accompanied with a written performance appraisal. This evaluation should take place in a face-to-face meeting. Allow time for this employee to respond and you comment and give your thoughts. Be direct. Give details and deadlines of what you expect from this employee. Be honest and be realistic. This will help in the long process and it will give the employee a better understanding of where you stand on the topics that you're discussing during this evaluation. Setting up for success. Anytime you want to give an evaluation, plan for it, prep for it. This will help in the long run. Although following these guidelines could be a little offset and it could be difficult because giving evaluations are, but following these guidelines, it should be a smooth process. If you take the time, do some careful planning, it'll go smooth. All right, so if you follow these guidelines, this will help the company to avoid any legal problems or any type of legal action that could be brought on by the employee. Any questions, comments, or concerns, please email Anne Morales. She is more willing to help you guys and give you a little bit more detail and feedback on all the things that have occurred and we have discussed during this presentation. Thank you for your time. You guys have a wonderful day.